What is up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a photo shoot for Olivia. As you can see, it is an Easter photo shoot, and to do everything just cost me $5. So here are the 5 items I purchased: bunny ears, and then a tablecloth, and then grass for the basket, and then eggs for the basket. So I wanted Olivia to get familiar with these items, so I let her play with the basket, and then she played with the eggs. She kept trying to throw the eggs behind her and biting them, but she usually puts toys in her mouth, so I'm not surprised, and she was throwing them in the basket. So I'm excited that it is around Easter, so she can play with her eggs and keep herself entertained during quarantine. But look how funny, she keeps trying to throw it behind her back. So I just let her explore these items and play with them until we start taking our photos. So it's now time to pick out my little bunny's outfit. I felt like this was the perfect Easter dress. Livy is always running away when it's time to get dressed. Oh, I love that smile. So the first thing I do is tape the tablecloth on the wall, and for her Mardi Gras pictures for her 9 months, I actually started using tablecloths for backdrops, and it just has always worked. I usually take pictures using my iPhone 11, so it usually focuses on her and doesn't really focus on the tablecloth. Then I lay out this little blanket for her to sit on for her pictures, and I put this laundry basket and just throw a blanket on top of it, so I can place the Easter basket on top of the laundry basket. She is always intrigued of what Mama's doing. So like I said, I placed the Easter basket on top of the laundry basket, and it is time to get Olivia dressed. She has her dress on, but she is kind of ready for a nap after this. I didn't really schedule this at the right time, but she definitely did really good. She was definitely interested in playing with the eggs, but we did get a couple of really good shots, and I'm very happy with how this little photo shoot came out, especially during quarantine. We can't go see the Easter bunny, and this is her first Easter, so I wanted to make it special and to have the pictures. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you subscribe because I will have more Easter videos this week. Thanks. And make sure you follow Olivia on her Instagram because she'll be posting these pictures on there. Later.